In this video, I'll show you how to disable the tapping noises on your Android phone. When you're tapping on the screen, it makes a noise or even vibrates like this. So it might be useful, but to disable the tapping sounds on your Android phone, go to the settings, open the settings app, and then search for sound and vibration. Here on this page, you could actually change a lot of settings. You can set the volume for alarms, you can change the ringtones, a lot of things there. And what's important here, on your Android phone, it might be a little bit different, but you will look for a setting with a similar name. Maybe it will be in another place, higher or lower. And you say these touch sounds. You see it here, touch sounds. So you can just toggle it like that. And now it's off. Now it's on. So now it's off. There is no more touch sounds on the phone. It's all quiet. You will still have the alarm ringing when needed, or the phone rings as normal. From the volume down, you can set the preferences for different levels of the in-call volume and the alarm volumes, but there is no touch sound. There is no press on the screen making noises. That's it. Thanks for watching.